we're road tripping into the new year at the mountain town of Baguio. Let's go!
I leave what's left of last night behind, and I need to get some peace of mind. And when I need some peace of mind, I know where to find it. By the end of the road, so I walk and I keep on walking. Though the shoes I wear are a mess, as I walk, 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 and I keep on walking till I'm at the end of the road. I walk until my feet are hurting, and I need to keep on going further.
Hello everyone! So it is about 8 o'clock in the morning. We started out the day, or I started out the day around 4:30, but everybody else they started out at 3:30 and we're nowhere near our final destination. So we just stopped by Jollibee to get some breakfast. So here they actually offer silogs. Yeah, I missed that. I haven't had it yet since I arrived. Hopefully it's good. Alright, so we finally entered a freeway after 6 hours on the side streets, but at least I really got to see or tour this side of the Philippines. Ano ba ito? North of Manila. And we're in Baguio, just like that, after many hours. We have had a lot of adventures on the road to this city.
'Cause I can't keep my mind off things I'd be better off to leave behind. Gotta be careful not to get stuck. And so I walk and I keep on walking. Though the shoes I wear are a mess, as I walk, 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 and I keep on walking till I'm at the end.
So I'm having the strawberry taho, the famous strawberry taho. Look at that. Let me try it.
We really can't tell the strawberry flavor, but it is there. So good. I love it. I love taho so much. Can you hear me?
So as I'm eating through this strawberry taho, there's actually chunks of strawberry in there. So I guess it's from this strawberry jam that they use, or they're using jam with it. pretty good. We are at Mirador Eco Park, which is about a 30-minute drive from our hotel. This park features a bamboo forest, grottos, religious grottos, and spectacular views of Baguio. The stepped housing structure of Baguio reminds me so much of Portugal. And if you guys haven't seen that video yet, I will link it up to this video. But the lookouts on this park is amazing. So the park is pretty small. There are a lot of stairs that sort of goes into loops. It goes up and down, but definitely not steep. And if you go at a leisurely pace, you'll be fine. And today actually was not cold, but it wasn't too hot. Wow! This is huge! This room is huge for one person. But it wasn't meant to be for one person. And I will tell you guys what happened a little later. But I have all this space for myself. Let me give you guys a quick tour. I have a TV, 2 beds all to myself. A mini couch. Oh my gosh. It is the parking lot view, but still, it's better than most parking lot views. This room is called the Mountain View Room. Not quite mountain view. I mean, you could see the mountains yonder. And up there. Not bad. I'm not complaining. All right. Oh, I have a fan. There are no air conditioning in the room because Baguio is supposed to be cold like San Francisco as its normal temperature. But today actually it was pretty hot and humid. I have a bar area. Oh. Hi! All right, continuing on, I have in the bar area some great goodies actually. Dried strawberry, peanut butter, strawberry jam. Oh, picnic, I do love this. Loker, it's okay. We have everything else at home. I do love this. Cashew brittle. I don't like garlic peanuts. Cup of noodles. I love it. What's the other cup of noodles? Chicken. And then some mushroom chicharron. I think I've had that already. And coffee. I think I am gonna take this one home or buy it from the bar. Although we do have some excess play money for, not play money, but comp money for food. So I'm gonna take that. We have a mini sink, garbage. Oops, yeah, garbage, fridge. Oh my gosh. What is it that they have? They have root beer. Oh, and chocolate drinks. All right. Full-length mirror. Safe. Bathroom, my shower, nice, yes, a blow dryer and an iron. I always iron. I almost always iron. Yes, I love it, love it. All right, and here are my luggages. Very nice room. Alright, I hope you guys can hear me, but I'm trying the champurrado for the first time. It smells so good. It smells very ube-ish. It's not as thick as I thought it was going to be. But it's steaming hot. So I'm going to let that cool off a little bit before I try it. Alright, so I'm going to try it. It's okay. It's not too sweet. But they were very light. Then again, it is hard to, the flavor is hard to capture. But not bad, not bad enough. And we're now at the Baguio Country Club Christmas Village.
It is mine. Selfie.
So we left the Christmas village, which was not a Christmas village. It was a carnival. I mean, I don't know what to say about that. Christmas Village. It had nothing to do with Christmas. All they had were, or 90% of their characters were clowns. Clowns! At a Christmas Village. 150 pesos for the tickets. Wow. Well, we are going to head home or back to the hotel. It certainly has been a long day. And the plans that we tentatively had, well, didn't quite pan out the way we wanted them to. Plus, the group of 9 that we originally started out with on these plans, or on this trip, well, long story short, one of the grandmas caught COVID, and the rest of the folks in our group were staying with her, so they all had to quarantine. Uncharacteristically, I am just going with the flow. I threw suggestions out there into the ether, and hopefully some of them will land and stick. And if they do, when they do, I'm just happy for it. Also, I'd like to take this opportunity to apologize for the erraticness of these vlogs so far. There are planned activities in the horizon. What they are, your guess is as good as mine. So stick around and find out with me. So please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell button below to get notified of new videos. So from my mind side to yours, more to come. Thanks for watching.